Are you good at something? Of course you're good at something. You can teach and coach people to reach your level of expertise. This is a flexible side hustle because you can do it from anywhere with the help of video chat. You'd want to start by building yourself an online store where people can buy individual sessions or packages. You'll need a product page where customers can read about your coaching services in detail. So like, how do the sessions work? How long are the sessions going to go for? Maybe are they going to get a certificate? What exactly are they going to learn? But the more detail that you provide in your description, the more likely you are to get conversions. Now, once you have your website set up, you're going to want to market your business through Google and Facebook ads. That is, if you do have a little extra cash. But if you're on a tighter budget, you can post your courses on Udemy and Skillshare. These are websites people visit to learn new skills. But the downside is there's tons of competition on those kinds of sites. So a good rule of thumb is to collect first-time clients through these sites and convert them to long-time customers privately after.